Good morning, sis. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing the second episode of our deep cleaning, decluttering, simplifying series, and we are going to be deep cleaning and just simplifying, doing some organizing in my master bedroom. So I needed desperately to clean our shower. Man, let me just not go into deep. But that shower, you can see. But anyhow, we are doing this deep cleaning series, and if you missed the previous video, you can go back and watch that one as well, where I just deep cleaned my living space. And now today I moved over to my bedroom, and as I said in the previous one, we are going to try and declutter and deep clean every single space in my home, one space at a time, to just get back to feeling like ourselves and just make our space neat and tidy again. I know I needed to get back to feeling like human. And if you need some cleaning motivation, it is spring now. This is the great opportunity for you to jump on this motivational series and clean along. Now I rarely film me cleaning the toilet over here. I don't know what it is, but I just don't like filming me cleaning the toilet. But anyway, this space, my bathroom wasn't really that bad. It was just the shower. The shower needed some immediate TLC, but then I just went ahead and wiped down everything. I have a couple of fiber cloths that I just use for my glass and my tiles, and also it helps with my building cupboards as well. So I just went ahead, wiped down every single thing in my bathroom, gave the floor a mop, and that space was good to go. So normally when I clean, I love playing my worship music, and I just love and enjoy my worship music all out. And so on this particular day, I had my worship music's playing in the background. But some days I do listen to a podcast. I find myself when I'm cooking to be more into watching one of my favorite creators' vlogs, maybe, or a sermon or so. But I just hope that you guys feel motivated by playing me in the background while cleaning along. I don't know, there's just something about cleaning motivational videos. Back in the day, before I even created my own channel, this was my go-tos. And I used to love, I was really into just cleaning motivational videos. I didn't really watch vlogs. I wasn't into vlogs when I started. It was about like 3 years back. But even before I started, I was consuming a lot of cleaning motivational videos for years, right? So now I'm a little bit into both. I love cleaning motivational videos and I love my vlogs. Obviously, I do have a few people that I love watching. I do not watch everyone. I am very particular in too consuming, but I don't know, man. I think watching something or having something that you listen to in the background, even if it's some worship music, especially, because then you can pray as you are cleaning your home. I find it very helpful because it keeps me going and it keeps me just focused on the task or the project that I'm busy with. So I ended up deciding to just like deep declutter and just like wipe down our built-in cupboards, our built-in wardrobes in my room. Thank God I do keep up with like decluttering, taking out clothes that I don't wear, clothes that I'm not into anymore. I do take it out. I have a lady that I do give it to, and she does come frequently. So I am grateful because there was a time where my space was just full and I couldn't even see what I have. And so now my closet is just literally very minimal. And on this particular day, I also had laundry hanging on the line. So this was a perfect day to just wipe down and just try and make it a little bit more cleaner, tidy, and functional. I don't know about you, but a clean space equals a clear mind for me personally. still need to repack all these DVDs of my husband. These are all my husband's. I do still need to repack them on the shelf with some of the books that I have, but it needs to be mounted, so I'm gonna leave that maybe for later today or another day, as long as I do all the deep cleaning today. So as soon as I have this one mounted behind the door in our bedroom, and then I can pack all of the books and things that needs to go on the shelf. But for now, I'll just leave the basket here with all the books right here so that it can get done. So my husband always joke around, and he always says that I am very heavy on headsets. Those were, I think, 2 or 3 pairs, I think 4 pairs maybe, of headsets that I broke. Which are still in working condition, somewhat working, but you would find that it is damaged in some kind of sort of way. And so I just decided, okay, I'm going to get rid of it, because I've been keeping it, thinking to myself I would find a way to fix it or get someone to fix it, because it is quality headsets, but I always just find myself breaking headsets. But anyway, I just decluttered that, and I just swept our bedroom. And my room is not that bad. My kids' room now is another story, but that room I will be tackling in the next video. I also just decluttered our bedside tables, and this room, guys, ever since I've renovated it, I didn't even touch, like I never decorated it. I was just in a bed space, but I am just asking God for guidance and just His help to just turn my house into a home, and just really be get to a place where I'm again get to a place where I feel like myself again, and just on my homemaking and just my task and projects. And so God willingly, we have a lot planned, and a lot of things that God willingly allow for us to do. So I mentioned the vlogs and the videos. I actually wanna just move and keep this channel as cleaning / homemaking channel, and hopefully God willingly create a vlogging channel separately. But I will keep you guys up. I will update you about that. I am still praying about it and still thinking about the workload. If I'm ready, you guys will be the first to know. So we are definitely just doing cleaning, motivational, organizing, homemaking, DIYs, those things that I started when I started this channel. That was my intention, right? So I'm just going back to where I started and what my goal was originally. So I won't be posting any vlogs on here on this channel again. I'm just basically keeping it to what it was meant to be from the get-go. Why? Because the algorithm doesn't really pick up my vlogs like that. This channel loves people, the audience love the motivational content, and so I have to create a new channel that will train the algorithm for it to just be a vlog channel. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. I just thought, let me share that for those who really love my vlogs. You would find my vlogs on another channel, but when the time is right, I will let you guys know. Thank you so much. I will catch you guys in the next one. I hope you found some motivation from this video. I hope that you were cleaning along, or at least you will start cleaning along, and play me in your background, you and me just conversating and cleaning our homes. I love you guys. I'll catch you in the next one.